Hey, hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Salesforce Wala. Today we are going to learn about the parent-child relationship in GraphQL and LWC components. So what is parent-child relationships? Parent-child relationships are the relationships that will define the child components, child objects or child records of it from the parents. Okay, so here, like in GraphQL also, we are going to do the same thing. So we can do a little comparisons with the simple query and the GraphQL query so that you can understand better on this. Okay, so in simple query, what we were doing is like we can just write the query and we can just write the subquery in it to pull out the child records from the parent query. So here also we are doing the same thing. Here you can see I have took one example of the account and contact. So suppose from the account I have to pull the child context of it. So right now if we'll take this example, here you can see I have opened one account, and on that account I can see the contact available here. There is one contact available here. So in queries, what we will do, we'll just write the account query and we will just write the context subquery in it with the relations of it, so that it will pull the account as well as the contact as well as the child context of it. Okay, in the same manner we have to do the same thing. We have to write the account query account, and after that we have to pull the child context from the GraphQL also. So in the GraphQL, we'll also do the same thing. So before we start, guys, just wanted to let you know that like I have created one basics video about the GraphQL. Please see that first. After that, you can jump into this video so that it will understand you better. Okay. So now let's go to the code and we will see how the code will work onto the parent-child relationships. Okay. So let me open my Lighting Studio. This is my Lighting Studio, and as you can see it here, I have just written a basic code that will pull the account as well as the context which is relation to it. Okay, so here you can see I have just written a query here. The name equals outbound. Outbound isn't like we are just comparing the name. That means we are pulling this account, and with this account, we are just going to pull the context as well. So contact has also a limit, that is the 5. So we can remove this limit as well. So I have just put it for the example purpose. So you can remove the limit as well. Okay. So it will just take the first 5 contact of that this particular account. If you have 20 contacts, then it is going to take the first 5 contacts of it. Okay, so right now here you can see it here, id, name and value. Sorry, id and name. I'm just pulling the two values from the account, that is the id and name, and from contact I'm just putting the name. Okay, so this is the basic query that will tell us about the account and the contact relationship. How the data we will get, we will see it into in some time. Okay, so now we are pulling out the total count as well, like how many counts are available here, and do we need the pagination as well or not. So right now just forget about the paginations. We will see that pagination into the next video. Okay, so let's see guys, if I have just created this component, so I have that just put this component into the home page. Let's see how the data we will get. Okay, so let me go to the home page and I will just reload it, and we will see like how we will get the data. Okay, so I have just reloaded it, and let's see how, in what format we will get the data. So as you can see here, I have just put that simple console.log here, and with the console.log, what we are getting the account, and the account we are getting the id and name. Okay, so name is the output, and the contact as well we are getting that. So contact, in the contact we are getting the name, just like as you told, I have just put the name here, that is why we are getting the name. If you wanted to add any other field, you have to just add it here after the nodes, sorry, after the like name. If you wanted to add id, you can add the id here as well. Okay, so I will just add the id here. Okay, so I have just added the ID. If you will just deploy it, and you will see the ID of that particular contact available here, just like the account. Okay, account, just like the account, we will see it here. Okay, so we are getting the total count as well. So how many counts are available there? So we are getting that as well. Page info. page has next page as well. So next page as well, when it will show, I will tell you in the next video, so you will understand better. Okay, so now what we have seen, like there is only one contact available, so that is why it is showing the total count as of one. Okay, so guys, this is uh and after that what we were doing, we were just copying the data and we were just showing that data into the front end, just like I am doing it here. Okay, so you can show the child context as well, like what are the child components and what are the like parent account of it. Okay, so this is the basics about the parent child relationships, guys. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe my channel to get the latest video about the Salesforce. Okay, and I will introduce you something new into the next video, that is a pagination thing, and we will see it. And I am going to create a list. I'm going to create a playlist of the GraphQL in LWC, and on the playlist you will see a lot of new things into the like a lot of new things about the GraphQL. Okay, thank you again, thank you guys, like thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel to get the latest video about the Salesforce. Thank you guys, thank you.